Hi guys, this is Sam from UberDriverNow.com. Just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys the Lyft Driver Vehicle Requirements in Los Angeles. This covers basically the whole of California. If you go through this list, it'll show you in each particular city what the requirements are, such as, if you can see here, in all of these cities right here, it's 2005 or newer car, and this video is basically dated as of August 2019, so that's basically 14 years or newer. And then this is 2004 or newer, would be in San Francisco and Silicon Valley, San Jose, so that's basically 15 years or newer. And then we have here in all other cities is basically 2003 or newer, which would be 16 years or newer. Has to be 4 doors, 5 to 8 seats including the drivers. Cannot be a taxi or stretch limo, and cannot be titled as salvage, non-repairable, rebuilt, or any other equivalent classification. And it should not be on the list of ineligible subcompact vehicles. And if we click on that, it basically means that let's click on that list of ineligible makes and models are Chevy Aveo, Metro, Volt, so on and so forth, Ford Fiesta. All of these cars that are mentioned here are ineligible as of June 21st, 2019. And it's saying that if you did get approved to drive with a car in this list before June 21st, 2019, you will be able to continue driving. But that kind of sucks because these cars are pretty decent. I mean, they're 4 doors and they seat pretty much, 4 passengers, so a minimum of 4 passengers because they're 4 door. But anyway, so that's that. So that's basically it. If you want me to cover any other city, guys, let me know in the comments, and go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my other video on the screen and subscribe by tapping on the logo at the bottom right, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.